Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a tasty moussaka recipe. We tried this at a restaurant and it was so good that we had to figure out how to make it ourselves. If you've never had moussaka, it's a dish with layers of potatoes, aubergine or eggplant and meat sauce. Let's get started. First, peel and slice the potatoes, then boil them in a pot of water until they're soft. While that is cooking, grab your aubergine and slice it up. Next, heat up a pan and cook the aubergine slices in lots of olive oil until it's golden and soft on both sides. It should take just a few minutes per side. Now let's make the meat sauce. Add some olive oil and throw in your chopped onion. Cook it until it turns golden brown. Once the onions are golden, add in your ground meat. Stir it and cook it until it's all brown and there is no more pink left. Now it's time to add the flavor. First, mix in tomato paste and diced garlic. Mix, mix, mix. Then add a little paprika, oregano, cinnamon and salt to taste. Mix, mix, mix. Finally, pour in some simple tomato sauce and stir everything together. Let it cook for a few minutes so all the flavors can come together. Now that the sauce is done, let's move on to the topping. It's called Béchamel Sauce, and this is the creamy layer that makes moussaka extra special. In a saucepan, melt a small cube of butter over medium heat, and once it's melted, add the same amount of flour and mix them together to make a paste. Keep stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes to cook out the flour taste. Then slowly add in 2 cups of milk while stirring constantly so it doesn't clump up. Continue to stir until the sauce thickens. Once it's nice and smooth, season it with a pinch of salt, pepper and a little bit of nutmeg if you like it. And finally, let's assemble our moussaka. Start with potato slices. Then add meat sauce. Continue with aubergine slices and so on. Keep going until you run out of ingredients. Top with bechamel and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. When it turns golden brown, remove it from the oven and enjoy. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, follow us for more. Bye bye!